not as clever as you think you are. You try to run, but you won't get that far. I'm right behind you like we're racing, like a chase scene. Oh.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you my Sephora Play unbagging for March. The theme for this month is, what's your festival beauty vibe? So, apparently all these products will get you festival ready, although I'm not sure we have festivals in Oklahoma, but if we did, I'd be ready. So I'm going to get into this bag and talk to you about what's in it. First of all, if you want to see the bag, it's actually really cute this time. And it says, beauty is my spirit animal. And that could not be a truer statement for me, right? I really like this. A lot of these I use to give away as gifts to people. I use them to give makeup gifts away in. But I'll be keeping this one because it's cute. Alright, I'm just going to randomly pull these out. And then I will read to you from the little pamphlet what they are and a little bit about them. I've seen some other people's unbaggings, and I think I've already taken a peek in here, so I know that a lot of what I've seen so far is different than what I have. But the first product I've pulled out is the Bye Bye Under Eye Illumination by It Cosmetics. And you know, guys, when I first started doing makeup, Bye Bye Under Eye was one of my favorite concealers, but I've moved past it and never returned to it. I don't know if I would like it now. I have actually never tried this, and I've kind of knocked it a little bit because I don't really like my under eye to be illuminated. But I opened this and read it, and I don't know that it's so much illuminated as it moisturizes it and makes it look better, apparently. But I might need to try this before placing judgment on it. It says, It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Illumination Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer, because you know they have to have 800 word titles for their products. It says it's a full coverage waterproof under eye concealer that provides anti-aging benefits while dramatically reducing the appearance of dark circles. So, I'm going to try this just because I need to try the illumination version of it and see if it's worth the hype. I haven't heard a lot of people talk about it, but the people that I have heard talk about it really loved it. So I'm going to give it a try. If you hear some crazy sounds, we're having really high winds in Oklahoma, and so you know, animals and small children and grills and things might be flying past my window right now. But I'm going to give that one a try. A lot of these I just immediately put them into my giveaway box. I'll be doing a giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers, hopefully before the next decade passes. But I'm trying. Alright, the next one is a Sephora Collection Contour Eye Pencil. And it says Showtime Shimmer Sephora Collection Contour Eye Pencil 12-hour wear waterproof in flirting game. It looks kind of like a bronze to me. I've kind of gotten away from using pencil eyeliners at all. But my friend Nicole, she has told me about an Ulta gel eyeliner that I'm going to try. So we'll see what happens with that. But most of the time, liners won't stay in my waterline. It always ends up pooling, and so I just kind of avoid them. But it says, this richly pigmented formula is perfect for defining your eyes and adding a subtle shimmer that will stay put long after the encore. Plus, this mini pencil is perfect for throwing in your bag. I'm going to open this up and swatch it for you because this is one I think I'll keep just because it's a color that I don't think I have. We'll do a little swatch. Oh, how perfect was that swatch, you guys. Honestly, very creamy, and that's why I went all crazy. So it is kind of a brownish bronze, but it is very creamy. We'll leave it on here for a little while and let it set and see if it actually stays put like they say it does. I'm always on the fence between should I swatch this or should I not, because once I swatch it, I can't give it away in a giveaway. I can give it to one of my family members, but let's see what's next. We have a Becca Evermatte Poreless Priming Perfection. I'm trying to do this with no glasses, so bear with me. Evermatte Poreless Priming Perfection. It says a mattifying primer that minimizes the look of pores and makes your makeup last. Whether you're lying on a blanket or dancing center stage, this sweat-proof primer is your go-to. Not only does it control oil for up to 12 hours, but it blurs imperfections for a flawless complexion. I like the Becca Backlight primers, and it's getting ready to be summertime, or it will be in the near future in Oklahoma. It gets warm and humid, so this will be a good one to try for that. Next is Bumble Bumble BB Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Shampoo and Conditioner. I've heard a lot of good things about Bumble Bumble, and I think I've tried a body wash, but I've never tried any shampoo. And I don't know if you look at my hair right now and think it looks good, but to me it looks thin and dry, and ever since I colored it, it's been very unhappy. And so, you know how sometimes you use shampoos or conditioners the same thing for a long time, your hair just kind of stops getting the benefits from it that it used to. I don't know if it gets used to it or what, but I am kind of on the market for trying a new shampoo and conditioner, so I'll give this one a try. I have been putting some oils on my hair and using some different products, trying to get it to have some life. It's freshly washed today, so it has no life. It has no dry shampoo and texturizing spray buildup to make it look like I actually have more than 2 hairs. All right. Oh, I didn't even read to you about it. All right. Frizz Fighters, it says. Bumble Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Shampoo and Conditioner, a hydrating shampoo and conditioner duo packed with 6 nourishing oils to soften strands, fight frizz, and add major shine. So, we'll see about that. The next thing is called Verb Ghost Oil. And so I don't know if this is face oil or hair oil. It says a frizz-defying hair oil. There, we got the answer to that question. That delivers essential nutrients to your strands. Why? It's with the band. This ultralight serum uses moringa oil, a moringa oil blend to detangle, repair, and make your hair shine for days. It's perfect for keeping your dew frizz free all festival long. So, we'll see. I really have probably the best results that I've had are from hair oils. I've been using some argan oil and some BioSilk Therapy stuff. All right, the last guy in the bag is Dr. Jart Premium Beauty Balm with SPF 45. So it says it's a concealing, beautifying, and sun-protecting beauty balm. It says this silky multi-action cream is your one-step regimen for flawless moisturized skin. It brightens, smooths, and protects your skin from UV rays. I don't know about you guys. I really like full coverage or medium coverage products, so beauty balms don't ordinarily work for me unless I'm just kind of throwing on a quick face to try to get out of the door and not look crazy. But, you know, they vary. Some BB creams seem like a very lightly tinted moisturizer and others don't. Others do seem like they provide some coverage. So, I might give it a try, but if I'm guessing, it's probably going to go in my giveaway pile. So, that's all we've got for this month's Sephora Play. I'm not blown away, but I'm not disappointed either. Let me get all this stuff back in the bag and we'll do a little smear test on my hand and see how well this set, because it was super duper creamy going on. And I do like that in a pencil eyeliner, obviously, because I would like to not tear my eyeball out. All right, here we go. Well, look at there. It is staying put. It's not smearing even slightly. So, well, I say that and I do see a little bit of smearage there, but I'm putting a lot of pressure on it. So it's not too bad. Maybe I should try it in my waterline. That's the true test of any pencil eyeliner for me. If it stays there, I will buy 20 of them because I like to tightline, but I don't like what I've tightlined to end up underneath my eyes and on my chin and all that stuff. So that's my Sephora Play bag. Look how crazy it looks now. That's my Sephora Play bag for March. I hope you enjoyed hearing about what I got in my bag. And what do you think about it? Did you get the same thing? Are you interested in this bag? Because I'm terrible about remembering how much these things cost and telling you about it. So if you're interested in a slightly deformed bag, just kidding. If you're interested in Sephora Play, it's a monthly subscription for $10.99. You get at least 5 trial size products, and they are products that Sephora carries. That's the reason I maintain this subscription, because since we don't have an actual physical store that's less than an hour away, I don't go to Sephora often, and so it's nice for me to see what kind of things they have to offer since I can't go there to shop. And I'm just not one of those perusers on websites, because somehow when I do that, charges start appearing on my debit card, and yeah. When you're on a no low buy, not a good plan to go look at things that you want and try to deny yourself. You know, like it's food or water or shelter or something. Like we can't live without makeup, right? But anyway, let me stop babbling and let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, I would appreciate it if you gave me a thumbs up and subscribed if you haven't already. I ordinarily upload on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, and occasionally on a Wednesday I will have a live stream. So, until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys. You get 5, at least 5, I think, trial size. They're never full size. Never, 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 never.
You're not as clever